A collage puts several photos or video clips on one screen, usually in a grid or side-by-side layout. It is useful when you want to show multiple moments together instead of placing every clip one after another. For this PC workflow, use CapCut Web when you want the collage steps that are documented for the browser editor. CapCut also provides a separate desktop editor for Mac and PC, but the detailed template-based collage recipe is shown in the web workflow. Before editing in CapCut Web, complete the quick sign-up. The page lists Google, TikTok, and email as account options, and the editing tools become available after registration. Open the Templates section and search for Collage. Browse the available results, choose a layout that suits your project, and select Use this template to begin customizing it. When the template opens, use the Replace icon in the center of each image slot in the timeline. Select your own photos for those slots so the template becomes a collage built around your material. Choose the layout according to what you need to show. A side-by-side arrangement works for comparisons, while a grid can display several scenes at once. CapCut's ready-made layout templates help you start with an organized structure. Keep the collage focused by selecting only the strongest moments. CapCut's guide recommends trimming dull or shaky parts, so shorten clips or remove sections that do not help the story. To give the collage a consistent mood, open the Audio tab, choose a suitable track, and select the plus icon to add it. Match the music to the feeling of the images, then keep it balanced with any important voices or original sounds. If the template needs a clean frame around the media, use the background control on the right side of the interface. The documented workflow lets you select a solid color for the video background. Add short text when it helps viewers understand the collage. Names, dates, or captions can explain where a moment happened, identify people, or guide the viewer through the sequence without replacing the visuals. Transitions can make the movement from one moment to the next feel less abrupt. CapCut's collage guidance also mentions borders between clips, which separate the visual areas and give each part a defined space. Before exporting, choose an aspect ratio that matches the destination. The guide gives 1:1 for Instagram, 9:16 for TikTok or Reels, and 16:9 for YouTube, so selecting the right canvas helps prevent unwanted cropping. When the collage is ready, use Export in the top right corner. Select the video format you need, then choose Download to save the result, or use the available TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube icons for direct sharing. For a sharper result, export at the highest practical resolution and keep the original media clear. The CapCut Web article states that video collages can be exported up to 4K, while the desktop page says the PC editor supports a wide range of audio and video import and export formats. Finally, if you install CapCut Desktop on the PC, its official page lists Windows 7 or later with Windows 10 recommended, and macOS 10.14 or later. The reliable collage sequence is choose a layout, replace the media, refine the sound and frame, set the aspect ratio, and export.